Right, as largely expected, health officials have shared a new set of prevention guidelines amid the heightened risks of infection. For more, I have Choi Min-jung here in the studio with me. Min-jung, welcome back.
Thank you for having me, Sunny.
Right then, let's begin with the latest measures to better address the challenges we face here.
Right, earlier in the day, Prime Minister Kim Boo-kyum introduced stricter antivirus measures to tackle the latest surge. Before we discuss the latest changes, let's take a listen to what he said.
South Korea's gradual return to normal is now facing its most serious threat since the start of COVID-19. The number of daily cases exceeded 5,000 this week, and 80% of our ICU beds nationwide are now occupied. The new Omicron variant also poses a growing risk. The government will focus on strengthening antivirus measures for the next 4 weeks, shoring up blind spots in our gradual return to normal. In particular, we will focus on minimizing gatherings, close contact, and travel that may occur during the year-end period.
First of all, the government has lowered the cap on the number of people allowed to gather socially. In the capital region, gatherings will be limited to 6 people, down from the current 10. In other regions outside the capital area, up to 8 people will be allowed to meet. As of now, as many as 12 can gather. Vaccine passes will also now be required at restaurants and cafes, and people going to museums, theaters, concerts, as well as cram schools will also have to show their proof of vaccination. Currently, the passes are only required for access to venues like indoor sports facilities, bars, nightclubs, singing rooms, and public baths. The new measures will take effect on Monday and will last for 4 weeks. And from February next year, teenagers will also have to present vaccine passes to enter designated venues. And this means for the time being, until February, students will be able to take classes at cram schools.
Right, so currently at cram schools then, it's probably the teachers who will need to show proof of vaccination and not the students who will be required to show that proof, like you said, back next February, that is.
Right.
All right. And also starting today, that is Friday, the new entry protocols are in place for all arrivals to the country that we touched upon yesterday, I believe.
Right. So starting this Friday, all travelers arriving in South Korea will have to quarantine for 10 days. And this is regardless of their nationality or vaccination status. People will be required to take these PCR tests, a 3 PCR test as well. And this measure is aimed at blocking the additional inflow of the Omicron variant and will be in place for the next 2 weeks. However, those on essential travel, like corporate executives, athletes participating in the Winter Olympics, as well as high-ranking public officials, will be exempt from quarantine.
Now, meanwhile, Korea's confirmation of the Omicron cases has also prompted Hong Kong to add Korea on a red list regarding traveling. And that includes not only Korea, but also Finland, Saudi Arabia, Norway, and Ghana. So beginning on Sunday, the 5th, there will be restrictions regarding Koreans entering Hong Kong, but that's according to non-Hong Kong residents.
Right, I see. And meanwhile, Min-jung, what is the latest with regard to the local presence of Omicron?
Right, on Thursday, I mentioned that there were 5 confirmed cases of the Omicron variant, but health authorities have confirmed an additional case, making it a total of 6. The son of a married couple who contracted the variant after returning from Nigeria tested positive for the strain as well. And we also know that the couple's friend was infected with the variant, but what's worrying is that this person was not initially classified as a close contact because the couple had lied in their earlier testimony to contact tracing officials. The couple told the authorities that they had taken a taxi home when it was later revealed that their friend had picked them up at the airport. So for a couple of days, he went to work, restaurants, and visited friends before getting his test result, possibly exposing hundreds of people to the Omicron variant. Authorities are now considering whether to take legal action against the couple. But on a more fortunate note, of the 5 cases that were confirmed, 4 are asymptomatic, while 1 is reporting a mild fever. So we haven't seen any severe illnesses so far as a result of the new variant.
I see. All right, Min-jung, thank you for now, but stay with us for the extended talks.
Thank you.